Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share this tool I'm really excited about. I know probably a lot of you who are watching this have tried AI blog generation tools before. So have I. I've tried all of them. I run a marketing agency called Canvas Marketing Solutions. And to be frank, none of them are honestly very good. They come out with confusing stuff in the text. They're always kind of off brand, and there's just a bunch of stuff left to be desired. So what I've been working on is developing one that is perfect, really, that focuses on all the important SEO stuff. It's AI powered. It generates HTML that's formatted, and it just solves all the issues and the annoying things about these blog builders. And I've opened it up to try completely for free for everyone. So you can use this for free for now until our beta tester pool is full, and then we'll be closing it off to the public. But I just wanted to show you how it works quickly, just to kind of give you guys an idea of the value of the tool itself. So let's get logged in here. So you can just create an account. You don't need a credit card. You just type in your email address and create a password in the create account section. Once you do that, you'll be logged in. You can use the tool freely. So what's great about this tool? You can select a tone of voice here. So you have a choice between all of these options here. You can select the variant of English. So you want UK English, you want US English, you can do that. We're working on other languages as well. You then type in your company type. So this is a free type field. So you can type in your specific company, whatever that is, for all those niches out there where you can never find a good company type, you type it in. You type in your blog focus or purpose. So like the question you want the blog to answer, or a service you want to talk about, or whatever that is, that's the focus. You put it in there and you put the purpose of the blog. Then you put in your keywords. So this is something a lot of like these blog writing tools don't even have. They don't even have a target keyword section. That's crazy. And so this one you put the keywords in, and it focuses on making sure the correct ratio of that keyword is in for it to rank. It compares with all of the other high ranking blog articles, and it will change it until it knows that the ratios are perfect. It allows you to put in your brand voice. So you can literally like copy and paste something that you've written in your own voice, something that's genuine to you and your brand, or copy the About Us section of a website, a company's website, and put it in here, and it mimics that tone of voice. You can put media links to be embedded. So for example, if you upload an image onto your Shopify account, or if you have a product image there, you can put the product image URL there. And if it will place those images where it thinks are the best places to put them. You can also do it with hyperlinks. So for example, if you're talking about products in the article, you can make sure you put the product link text there and then the hyperlink in the URL, and it will link that in the actual article itself. And then important to include, this is like a one thing that's really, really helpful here is like you can put as much information here as you want or as little information here as you want. If you want to get across a very specific message, you just type it in quickly here, something very basic from something, that just to make sure that you're getting the message across. If you want specific facts or something like research or something that you've done, you can put it in there. Or if you just want key information about a certain topic, you could type in key information about this topic. Whatever you need, you can actually put it in there. You also have a website platform and content format option. So this allows you to select whichever web builder you're using, and that will make sure that the HTML version of the blog that's created is specific to the web builder, and it's formatted correctly and looks good on, and it interacts with the back end of your web builder. If you don't use any of these, you can of course just use custom HTML, which should work in any web builder anyways. So you can also add obviously table of contents, call to action, FAQ sessions, statistical data, and checklists. So you guys, the blogs that this thing is generating are crazy. So I'm not going to I have a bunch of blogs that I can show you right now, but I want this video to be short and straight to the point. And I want you guys to try this tool for yourself and just actually see the quality of the blogs this thing is generating. It uses a set of functions where essentially it's feeding the information that you give it over to a prompt, and then taking the information that's spat out by that and feeding it into another prompt. And it has a multi-layered segmented prompt process that really just is powerful, guys. And so yeah, I'm hoping that you guys can test this out for me. My email address is in the app to send me any feedback about any bugs or any issues that you guys might be having. I'd appreciate any feedback on it. Again, beta testing is going to be for a very short time, guys. So hop on this, because I'll be closing it off as soon as I have a certain amount of users, because obviously I have to pay to run the servers for this. And if they get too busy, then it'll cost me too much money. So I'm going to shut it down. this will be a paid tool in the future, guys. Okay, so take advantage of it while you can. And again, if you have any feedback or any questions, please get in touch with me. It's patrick.mckenna@canvasmarketingsolutions.com. The app is Janice-AI.com. All the details will be in the description of this video. Yeah, thanks for testing this out, guys. I'm excited to see, I'm excited to get any feedback and see the progress people make by using this.